Today I want to be doing a mini unboxing and a review of this BoxyCharm box, and I already know that there's a lot of YouTubers who have posted unboxing of these boxes, but you know, I want to be the first person. I don't know if I'm the first person because I haven't seen any videos of like normal people without a platform doing these unboxings. I didn't see much because you know, when I was looking for unboxing and stuff, I only found YouTubers, and I was like, I don't know if I could trust the YouTubers. You know, sometimes they get paid for promotion and stuff, and I was like, you know, most of the YouTubers, they have BoxyCharm, so I was like, what if they're high priority? I want to see if BoxyCharm treats me the same way as they would treat a YouTuber. So this is the reason for my unboxing, and you know, I'm really impressed because, oh my god, you know, I'm not a YouTuber or someone with a platform, so you know, my review is going to be 100% honest. And you know, I'm really impressed with the box, and you know, the packaging. It's so pretty and it's so cute, and you know, I'm kind of in love with the packaging. I think I just might keep the box. It's a nice black box and it's quite sturdy and nice. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this box. I've already opened it because I was so excited to see what's inside. So I've already opened it, and I'm just going to show you guys what's inside. And like I said, oh my god, the packaging is so beautiful. So let's go ahead and show you the first product that I got. The first product that I got was the Ciaté London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. And this retails for around $22. And you know, I think like I want to try out this powder, and I want to see how it is because you know, my Huda Beauty one was finishing and I needed another powder soon, so this is great timing. And you know, obviously I can't try it on for you guys right now, so I will try it on in my other post and I'll give you my review on this. The second thing we got is the Evio Skin Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. I think this is kind of useless for me because I did write in my quiz that I do not want wipes. I don't like wipes. I hate wipes because I don't use wipes at all. My skin is really sensitive, so any type of wipes, they just irritate the hell out of my skin. So this is a no-no for me. And these wipes retail for $9.50. Oh my god, basically who would pay $9.50 for these wipes? Because I sure as hell wouldn't. The third product that we got, we didn't really get it in the box. Basically, there was a promotion going on saying that if you order your first BoxyCharm box, you will get a free palette. They didn't say which palette, but they said free palette. So this is a really nice addition because this palette on its own is $36, and oh my god, look at the colors, they're so beautiful. Oh my god, I love these colors, and this is perfect for like a handbag or a purse situation. And the palette, oh my god, the packaging of the palette is really good too. So then we have some brushes, and oh my god, I love rose gold because my whole kitchen is rose gold and my favorite color is just rose gold. So these brushes, the hell, they're perfect for me because they're so beautiful and they're really lovely. So these are Alamar or Alamar brushes, and they retail for around $36. So they're a bit expensive for me. I wouldn't be personally spending so much on brushes, but you know, they are really nice and they're a nice addition to my brush collection, and they're a really nice color. And these are something that I'm going to try later on and show you guys. Obviously I can't show you guys right now, so I'll show you guys later. And then this is another thing we got. This is the facial radiance pads, and these help exfoliate, tone and brighten. So I don't really use a lot of skincare and like a lot of stuff on my face because like I said, it irritates my face a lot, so I avoid using a lot of unnecessary stuff on my face. But still, I'm going to try these and give it a go and tell you guys how it is. And these retail for around $12. Not bad. And then the last thing, oh my god, this is just the highlight of the box. Oh my god, I am in love with this palette. And you know, to be honest, I'm not even gonna lie, the only reason I ordered this box was this for this iconic palette. And like I told you guys, I saw a lot of YouTubers who got this box and they got this iconic palette. So I was like, you know, I want to see if they give me the iconic palette too. And oh my god, I'm really impressed that I got the iconic palette too. And this iconic palette on its own is $68. No, I think $62, yeah. $62. So it's a really nice addition to the BoxyCharm and a really nice addition to my makeup collection. And I'm really impressed because you got pretty high-end stuff in this box. You know, I was really skeptical about trying this box because I tried Birchbox and Birchbox wasn't as good. So this, I'm really impressed, and I think I'm going to continue with BoxyCharm because for a first box this is really good. And all the products that I got apart from the wipes, I'm actually kind of in love with because they're all perfect for me, and for a first timer this is really good. Okay, thank you guys for watching my unboxing and review. Okay, it wasn't much of a review but like a mini review of this stuff. Thank you guys for watching this unboxing, and maybe in the future I'm going to post more BoxyCharm or Ipsy reviews, so stay tuned, and thank you guys once again.